Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the sixth video of the Tableau Quick Tips series. In this quick tip, we will be covering the various options of configuring tooltips in Tableau. Before proceeding with the video, there is a small request from my side. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel for getting the latest updates. Without any further delay, let us go into the video. In Tableau, after we open the Edit Tooltip dialog box, there are several options to configure the tooltip behavior. In this video, we will be going through the configuration options at the bottom of the Edit Tooltip dialog box. We will not be covering the formatting options for tooltips. Let us now go through the Show Tooltips option. In Tableau, by default, tooltips are shown. Let us hover over a mark in the view. We observe that the tooltip box appears. If required, we can hide the automatic tooltips. Let us click on the tooltip of marks card. We need to uncheck the Show Tooltips checkbox. Now, if we hover over a mark, we observe that there is no tooltip. Let us revert the option, that is, selecting the Show Tooltips checkbox. Next, let us check the options to configure the tooltip behavior. Let us click on Tooltip of Marks card. We can configure how tooltips behave by selecting one of the options in the drop down list next to the Show Tooltips checkbox. When we select the response Show Tooltips instantly option, it shows the tooltips instantly as we move the cursor over the marks in the view. This is the default option for all views. With this option, tooltips appear without the command buttons. Let us hover over a mark in the view. We observe that the tooltip box appears without the command buttons. We need to click a mark in the view to see the command buttons. Let us click on the tooltip of marks card. Let us select on hover, show tooltips on hover. With this option, tooltips appear with the command buttons on top of the tooltip without any further action from us. Let us rest over a mark in the view. We observe now that the tooltip box appears with the command buttons. Let us revert the option, that is, selecting the default responsive show tooltips instantly option. Next, let us go through the include command buttons option. Let us click on tooltip of marks card. By default, we observe that the select the include command buttons checkbox is selected. Let us select a mark in the view. We observe that the tooltip box appears with the command buttons at the top of the tooltip. The command buttons may include like keep only, exclude, creating the groups, creating the sets, and view data. If required, we can hide these command buttons. Let us click on Tooltip of Marks card. We need to uncheck the include command buttons checkbox. Now, if we select the same mark, we observe that the command buttons do not appear at the top of the tooltip. Now, let us revert the option, that is selecting the include command buttons checkbox. Next, let us go through the allow selection by category option. This allow selection by category option allows us to select marks in a view that have the same value by clicking on a discrete field in a tooltip. Let us click on Tooltip of Marks card. By default, we observe that the Allow Selection by Category option checkbox is selected. If this checkbox is selected, we can use this feature to select marks in a view from a tooltip in Tableau Desktop. Let us select a mark in a view. In the tooltip pop-up, let us click on region member. In this case, it is central. It is observed that all marks with region as central are now selected in the view. If we click on the customer name, we observe that we get the marks that are related to the selected customer. In this case, it is Adrian Barton. Let us click on Tooltip of Marks card and let us uncheck the Allow Selection by Category box. Let us again select the same mark in the view. Now we observe that the option to select the fields is not present in the tooltip pop-up. Let us revert the option, that is selecting the Allow Selection by Category checkbox. Lastly, let us go through the Include in Tooltip option. Before doing this, let us click on the Tooltip of Marks card and let us click on Reset in the Edit Tooltip dialog box. This is to return to automatic tooltip, as the include in tooltip option will not be available in the field. To add and remove fields when using the automatic tooltip, we need to right click in a Windows system or control click on Mac the field on one of the shelves in the view and select include in tooltip. By default, if you see, all the fields that are present in the view are included in the tooltip. Let us right click a field, example region on marks card, and check the include in tooltip option. It is by default selected. Let us hover over a mark in the view. In the tooltip pop-up, we see that the region is present. Let us right click the region on marks card and uncheck the include in tooltip option. Let us again hover over the same mark. We see that the region is also not present.